So, in previous lecture, we discussed about the different treatment methods of the industrial waste. Okay, so broadly, it is classified into physical treatment of industrial waste, then chemical treatment of industrial waste, and then biological treatment for industrial waste. Okay, so physical, basically for removal of floating solid or large size solid, suspended solid. Okay, so like screening and or the skimming tank or either a grid chamber. Okay, so these are the physical treatment methods which are used for removal of floating large suspended solid. Next, we discuss about the chemical treatment. And in chemical treatment, there are the different chemical treatment available for the industrial process. Like you can say the chemical oxidation, chemical coagulation, chemical precipitation, reverse osmosis, electrodialysis, adsorption, deionization, thermal reduction, and air stripping. These are the various chemical treatment methods which are used for the treatment of industrial waste. Okay, and the biological treatment method in these biological treatment methods, when the industrial wastewater contain large quantities of biodegradable substance, then mostly we use the biological treatment for treatment of industrial waste. Okay, and the which type of treatment use for industrial waste is depend upon the BOD upon COD ratio. Okay, we already discussed when the BOD upon COD ratio greater than 0.6, that waste is biological treatable, biologically treatable, and without extra additional nutrients does not require for the process. When the BOD upon COD ratio less than 0.3, in that case biological treatment is not necessary. So chemical treatment may be required in that case. Okay. When the BOD upon COD ratio vary between 0.3 to 0.6, in that acclimatization, that is the supply or the process of seeding or raising the initial microbial population under a control condition. Okay. So where the seeding of microbial population is carried out, okay, in the wastewater to increasing the concentration of that population. So again, that when the wastewater between 0.3 to 0.6 BOD COD ratio, we can use biological treatment. Okay, so various biological treatment methods that can be used are trickling filter, activated sludge process, oxidation pond, aerated lagoon, oxidation ditch, and oxidation lagoon followed by aerated lagoon. These are various methods which are used for the treatment of industrial waste. Okay, so physical, in which screening for removal of floating solid, second sedimentation for removal of suspended solid, then flotation for removal of finer particle, and again the filtration for removal of finer suspended solid. Chemical treatment, in that chemical coagulation, chemical precipitation, adsorption, air stripping, reverse osmosis. In biological treatment method, the trickling filter, activated sludge process, oxidation pond, aerated lagoon, oxidation ditch, and oxidation lagoon. So these are the number of treatment methods available and which are used for the treatment of industrial waste. So we already discussed about the what are the different pollutants in industrial wastewater. Again, we discuss about the sampling of industrial wastewater. Also, we discuss about the characteristics of industrial wastewater. Also, we cover the stream standard and effluent standard for industrial wastewater. Okay. Then, what are the systems which are favorable for the disposal of industrial waste? Then we cover the stream sanitation, that is the self-purification of natural stream. What are the factors affecting self-purification of natural stream? Then what is oxygen sag? What is oxygen sag curve? What are the different zones of pollution in stream and river? Then what is the Streeter-Phelps equation? Okay. So these all we already covered, and it is a part of UT1 for IWT, which is going to be conducted on 18, 19 and 22. Sorry, 19, 20 and 22. Okay, so this is almost all syllabus we have covered for UT. Okay, so in methods of treatment, the next method we are going to discuss, that is the neutralization. Okay, So neutralization, it is nothing but the process of neutralizing the excessive acidity and alkalinity of particular wastewater. So some of the industries having acidic wastewater, some of the industries having alkaline wastewater. Okay. So before the treatment of that industrial wastewater, we need to neutralize the wastewater. We need to neutralize the pH of that wastewater. Okay. So neutralization, it is nothing but the process of neutralizing the excessive acidity or alkalinity of particular wastewater. Okay. So we can add alkali or acid to neutralize the wastewater. Okay. That it means when the industrial wastewater is acidic, we can add alkali so that we can neutralize pH. If the water is alkaline, we can add acid so that we can neutralize pH. Okay. So that is what neutralization is, means the neutralizing the excessive acidity or alkalinity of a particular wastewater by adding alkali or acid respectively to the wastewater. And this may be done either in equalization tank or maybe separate tank provided, which is called as neutralization tank. Okay. So the neutralization definition here. So treatment of industrial waste so that it is neither too acidic or not too alkaline for safe discharge. Okay, so this one, the neutralization process is important. So for the disposal, it's neither too acidic or not too alkaline. So what are the reasons for neutralization of industrial waste? Okay, so first thing is to make industrial waste compatible with municipal sewage treatment in case of a joint treatment process. Next, to make sure pH of industrial waste does not kill or otherwise inactive microorganism useful for biological oxidation of organic matter content. Okay, that means that pH should be favorable for the treatment of industrial waste. Okay, so that pH does not kill or inactive the microorganism. Next, to prevent corrosion of pipeline and equipment leading from industry of various point. Next, to compile with municipal or other governmental coordinates of excessive acid or alkaline condition in sewer or receiving waters. Okay, so these are some of the reasons for neutralization of industrial waste. Okay, so this is sorry. Okay, so removal of suspended solid. Lower overflow rates for domestic type wells result in removal of more suspended solid and BOD. This is the BOD removal percentage versus settling rate. Okay, next, removal of suspended solid.